Hello guys, welcome and check LocalBooking Pro. It is a simple and lightweight plugin. It will be able to allow users of your websites to book appointments in a custom form. So a custom booking form like this will allow users from your site to book time slots in your site and allow you to take consultations, for example, and you will see the bookings which will appear here in the plugin menu. So let me show you the plugin and how to use it. Note that it uses plans on WPBay, so you have the base plan, professional and agency, and in function of which plan you purchase, you will have the functionality of in the plugin unlocked. So let me show you first which functionality you will get for which booking type. So for this, go to settings and plans and features, and here you will see that booking submission, front-end booking, admin and custom emails, booking status management will be included in standard. In Pro you will have some growth tools which are useful, and in agency you will see manage staff management, multiple locations, and priority support between other features. Okay, but now let us go back to our booking and let me show you how to set up a page like this. So first, go to forms, and here we already have the booking form ready for us. We can copy this shortcode and paste it on a site. Also, if we want to create custom services, we can edit this general consultation and duration of the service. Here we can edit it and change it as you like. Also, after this, we can check availability. Here we can set which days are available for booking, which days are unavailable, start time, end time, and slot duration. If we want to set a slot duration, buffer zone, minimum minutes after and before, and the dates off in this format, one date per line, which are off. Okay, so this is it. We can check an example booking. So let's go to bookings. We should not have any bookings yet available, and after we can go refresh this site to see how it loads. And let's say I want to book on 15th of July general consultation. We can change the service as we mentioned in the services menu of the plugin if we want to add another available available service. Also, date, time, we can set, for example, 9 a.m. Details, John, an email, a phone, and a message. Also, available time slots is already selected. All we have to do is click book appointment, and after this is submitted, we will be ready, appointment booked. Now we can go back and check bookings. Here it is, John is booked, date, time, new, and we will be able to check with him if necessary. Okay, so note that if another user wants to book the same time slot, it will not be possible, as that time slot will be taken. Also, what it needs to be mentioned is that for agency plans you will have also access to staff management. You can add new staff. Adding new staff will work, and you can add name, email, phone, locations, and these will also appear in the form. The users will be able to select staff, location, and also here is the settings of the plugin which will show the business name, date format, notification settings, integration. We have Webhook support. If a booking is made, we can call this Webhook. You can white label the booking form, hiding the Powered by LocalBooking Pro, and plans and features, this was already shown. So contact, you can contact me directly using this contact form, and also the local booking dashboard is here. You can check it. Some useful information will be displayed here, like your plan, and also some quick links for editing, and also some recent booking listings. So this is it. If you have questions, suggestions, let me know in the comments of this video. LocalBooking Pro is linked in this video's description. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.